Today's I am motivational word, encouraging word is I appreciate others for who they are. I appreciate others for who they are. Today's video is with the collab Keeping It Real Fun. Our theme is to create a disco 70s eye look. So I am using the Juvia's Place Culture Palette to create my 70s disco eye look. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please go check them out and see what disco 70s look that they created. I know it is going to be fun. Please please go see the eye look. The first color is a very light, almost mustardy color. I'm going into the second color, which is an orange. In the 70s, what I remember in the 70s was my mom wear bell bottoms. They were colorful polyester bell bottoms. And the guys had picks. And they used to walk around like that with a pick, or in the crown of the hair with the pick. And in Dominica, they call it a lifter because you lift the hair up. So they would say they have a lifter or a pick. So this is that. Today's encouraging word and I am is such a beautiful reminder that we have to appreciate other people. Other people do matter. Other people are enough. Other people do belong. So appreciating other people for who they are is a reminder for us to know that we are all different. And we have to learn to appreciate other people for who they are. This orange is looking so pretty. But I'm going for disco look, yeah. Bell bottom. I think my mom had a blog heels. We call it blog heels back then. And they just had fun. Big hair, natural hair, lifter, pick. It was beautiful. I'm also going to take that orange and put it on the lids. Another part of the affirmation is, I know that I cannot learn other people's lessons for them. You and I can advise people, you and I can talk to people, but their lessons, we cannot learn it for them. Only they can. We just have to learn to be there to support each other. I cannot learn other people's lessons for them. So now I have the orange on the lids. I need a shimmer to really make it a disco color. You know what I mean? I'm going into this light shimmer, like a champagne shimmer, and I'm going to put that on my lids. In order for us to help ourselves with the lessons that we learn, we have to do the work ourselves. I cannot do the work for you. You cannot do the work for me. Each and every one of us have to do the work ourselves. And we cannot be rushed to do the work. Each person does the work when they are ready. Each person does the work when they are ready. So you can't force someone to do the work if they're not ready. It has to be done on their own time. I hope that is making sense. I hope that is helping you. It's like if I have a problem, say V have a family member who drinks, don't know how to stop drinking. Take a look at this. Isn't this cute? I'm going into another shimmer. I need another shimmer on that. If I have a family member that is drinking, I can help that person, talk to them, be there for them, but I cannot learn whatever lessons that they're learning. I cannot make them make a change when they're not ready. They have to be ready to give up the alcohol. They have to be ready to take steps to make things better for them. And that's why today's encouraging affirmation I am word is I appreciate others for who they are. I appreciate others for who they are. My 70s look is complete. I did a fro with this pick lifter. And I make sure I send most of my fro front because I remember my mom used to have a big fro and it was always like this. And you can just see the eyes. So I hope you understand why I have this fro all in my face. I must have worn my hair like that again. Oh my God. My mom used to have a beautiful picture frame on the little center table. We call it back in the day. I guess they still call it that. It had her in an orange bell bottom, polyester bell bottom, looking all beautiful back in the 70s when she first came to St. Thomas. So that was years ago. So this is my orange disco. Look, let me know what you think in the comments. Please let us have a conversation. And as always, remember you are first. Self is first. Self is important. You need to take care of self. I appreciate you very, very much. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and share this video with someone else. The 70s look is back. The makeup 70s look is back. I just love doing that with my hair. Thank you for watching. And until I see you and you see me, I want you to remember to accept other people as they are. Accept other people as they are. Now let me show you the look without the hair in it. This is the look without the hair. Now the fro is back. I just love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. When I tell you I love this, 70s disco baby, disco baby, ooh 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 ooh, disco baby, ooh 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 ooh, disco baby. Bye.